Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to open and manage a LendingClub savings account. Are you looking to grow your money safely? Well, a LendingClub high yield savings account is a simple way to earn interest while keeping your cash accessible. Let's see how to set it up and manage it. The first step is to open your savings account. So go to log into your LendingClub dashboard, and then you can choose open a savings account on the banking options. Now provide basic details and link a funding source, could be a checking account or an external bank. Next step after that is to fund your account. So make your initial deposit via transfer. You can also set up recurring deposits for automatic savings growth. Next step is to track your interest earnings. Now, LendingClub savings accounts are high yield, meaning that they offer a much better rate than traditional banks. Interest compounds monthly and is shown directly in your app. Next step is to manage transfers easily. You can move money between check-ins and savings instantly inside the app. You can also schedule recurring transfers to automate your savings goal. Fifth step is to keep it secure. Savings accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000. Monitor balances and enable alerts for deposits or withdrawals. Your LendingClub savings account helps your money grow without extra efforts. In the next video, we're going to explore how to set up automatic transfers between checking and savings to keep your savings on track. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.